Teaching your dog to heel has value in town, at home, and in the field. And while walking down the sidewalk in a civilized manner is valuable, not spooking birds on a hunt is priceless.
Sherlock, here. Rooster! Beautiful shot. Girls. Here, girls. Here, girls.
A dog that will walk at heel is in control. He won't knock down someone's shotgun leaning against a truck. He won't steal another dog's point. And he sure as heck will follow you to the duck blind instead of going for a swim. So let's look at a few ways to teach your dog to heel. As a pup, it's easy. Food treats are a great incentive. Hold one, or better still, smear your hand with peanut butter and then walk with your hand at his face level. He'll get the idea. Throw in some direction changes, a few stops, and then don't forget to train in other locations as well. Now, an adolescent dog will need a little bit more. You can do it with just about any lead and collar combination, but I like this Delmar Smith command lead because it only applies pressure when it's needed, and the dog thinks he's bringing it on himself. You're not yanking and tugging at his leash and collar. Yeah, it's always loose around his neck until he pulls. Then when he stops pulling, it loosens again. Now the tightening walk is a cue to pay closer attention to you. Don't confuse it with a punishment. We're really never punishing a dog when he's on a leash. When he does stray or pull, the collar just makes him uncomfortable. When he comes back in line, it loosens again. Just for the record, dogs are like horses. They go where their head points. So bring that collar right up behind his ears, snug against his skull. And remember, what he wants is to move forward, search for birds. If he's not complying with your request to heel, simply keep bringing him back instead of letting him move forward ahead of you. Yeah, when he goes ahead, you stop, stand still, and wait for him to figure it out. Flick, walk. Eventually, he will get what he wants when I get what I want. Now, as you grow together, you can add more distractions, different locations, and eventually take off the lead and cross your fingers. I still do. A dog that heels is invited back for another hunt. Whether you are too, well, that's another story. Drop both legs.
I got two.